Hello. Today I'm going to talk about hydrology again. As you know, we have these hydrology structures, right? But all this information is just from DEM, digital elevation model. There is another very cool tool because SWMM is for stormwater modeling. It can be really in-depth modeling, very engineering technical things. Okay, so we're trying to take all this in here. Okay, that's what we're gonna do usually. If you are really interested, working on the water. Okay, that's the best thing you can do. But it's hard to use this tool because well, it's free. You can download it. SWMM is from EPA. There's a lot of setup you need to do. And it's not well connected with GIS. So if we want to put GIS data in there, all those lines, watersheds, you have to use a tool called Inp.pins. Okay, because INP is the format of this SWMM, and what you need to do is you need to download the installers, and also make sure you want to download the MapWing GIS. Okay, you click here, you can download this one. Okay, so you need to download MapWing GIS for sure. Okay, so you download this one and this one, download both of them. Okay, once you download them, you will have imps. It looks like this. This is their link, their icons. Okay, and then you can start working on it. Okay, I will talk about more in later video, but first, to start with it, you must choose a good watershed. Okay, so you want to use the same watershed. You don't want to so for example, when you work with the SWMM, you don't want to export the whole place. Okay, because it's very, like here is one watershed, so they will all go to this direction. Okay, like all this is a big watershed, we know about. Okay, so it's good. You could export this watershed. Just make sure every the area, okay, the watershed, the links, the streams you export, they're in one big watershed. Okay, you don't want to, so this is one watershed and this is the other one, so every one have its directions, right? So just make sure that's really important. Okay, in this case I just do a small one. For example, I'm pretty sure all these links, they're in one watershed. Okay, so I just export this. Okay, I just right click, data export. So I export them. I just name links and maybe add imp. So then you have this. Okay, you have this one, and you will see it's intact. It's a complete watershed. Okay, and then we want to choose the catchment, associated with the links. Okay, it's very easy. We select by locations, right? We want to select the catchment, and we want to intersect with the links, and just click around, and they will select all the catchment for us. And the same thing, we just export to another file, shape file. Make sure it's a shape file. That's another thing that's really important. Okay. So in the end, once I export it, I have these two files. Okay, so these two files, they're a whole total system, and you can see the water where they go. Okay, and then you can open up the table and look at the table, and you will see they have from node to node. Okay, but the issue is this from to, they are messed up. It's not accurate. Okay, we don't want this. Okay, And in order to have SWMM to use it, we need another file which is the nodes. Okay, so the points. Okay, those intersection points. That's another thing that's very important. So once we have this, we can use the imp pins for now. What we do is very easy. You just here they have imp tools. You just click this create node shape from links shape. Okay, just create it. They will ask you to select the links. Okay, which is the streams. Okay, you just click the links, which is this links, right? And you click open, and then they will pop up another one, but this time is the name you wanna save as nodes. Okay, I just save nodes imp. Okay, so once you save this, they will create another shapefile which is about nodes. Okay, click save. Usually I give it 0.1 just in case some they don't touch. Depend on the units. Okay, click OK. And just wait a minute, and you will see they create a new node file. It's a node, okay? It's point file. You can see here they have every line they create points, okay? Very cool, and you can label them, and you'll see they give numbers on it, okay? They give the numbers on it. Perfect. But the other issue is, so after this, you'll see here they have a second one, which is from node to node assigned to links, which means in the links, this from node to node, they are not accurate. Okay, we need a new one based on the number, the label of these nodes. Okay, what we do is just we create from node to node. We first want to select the links and click open because we want to add those fields to the links. Okay, and then they will ask you where's the nodes shapefile. Okay, we just create it, which is this one, right? These are nodes with those numbers on it, and then we click open. Again, tolerance, I just make it actually 0.1. So this is the key. Okay, from node, which is column that where's the node from, I just name add imp down here, so I know this is the node number of the imp file I created, and to node I add imp down there also, and click OK. And the fields of the imp, you can see here, this is a node we had before. They have only have one field, which is tag, so very easy. Think whereas so again, you just select tag and then click OK. All right, and once you click OK, you could just remove it and just reopen them again. Just this previous link file, okay? And if you check the table, they will create a new field, okay? And you will see it's super accurate, okay? You can see here they flow from 0 to 1. So this is from 1. So this one, the flow from 2 to 0. So this one they go from 3 to 4, okay? And this one they from 5 to 4. So it's all super accurate, okay? This from 6 to 7. You just any random ones. This one from 8 to 12, okay? So the software will tell the direction of all these lines. That's the power of it, okay? Just understand that point. So once you have this, you know, we create a very good model, all the files, okay, shape files that can be used to our hydrological model, okay. There are other things we need to do. For the most important thing is this catchment. We need to calculate the slope, add some data in there, but this is just a really important thing is you have to create a you know, a base file structure, which is this tree file, especially you know, catchment, links, nodes. Okay, so that's this. I will continue with next video.